Alright guys, I am Godknows Chihota, a man from Tego. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Remember to click subscribe button so that we can create more videos for you. So boys and girls, first and foremost, I want to define what does the term database means. It is a collection of information to provide efficient retrieval. What I'm saying here guys, I'm saying that databases allows their users to enter, to access and to analyze information quickly. So what I need to do right now, I need to create a new folder on my desktop, and I want that folder to be the location of my database. So I need to right click on an empty space on the desktop, and then I click new, and then I select folder here. This is the folder. I want to type the name of my folder. The name of my folder is databases. Okay, it's typing error. Databases. This is the name of my folder, and then I click enter. I want to drag my folder so that I can put my folder here. My folder here is on the desktop. So what I need to do, I want to open my Microsoft Access in my computer. I've got Microsoft Access 2010. This is my Microsoft Access 2010. Boys and girls, you need to know that we have got what we call databases objects. They include forms, queries, reports, and the table. So just for today, I want to focus on a single object of a database, that is a table. So I'm gonna click here my Microsoft Access. You can see that here we've got this window, this pop-up window. So what I need to do here, I just click close, or click here close, or click this icon. So you can see now that it's already highlighted for me, blank database. So what I'm going to have to do right now, I want to give the name of my database. So here under file name, I will rename database 2, and I give the name of my database. Our company is Tegosoft, so that's the name of our database, Tegosoft. Tegosoft, the shortcut, but actually it's Tego Software. And then I want to click. So before I click create button, I want to give the location of my database. So I'm gonna click this folder icon. This is the folder icon, and then I want to click on desktop, and then I will click in the databases. This is the folder which I created on my desktop. So I'll click OK. You see, and then I want to click this create button. So you can see that we already have got this object that is a table. So what we need to do, boys and girls, we need to give the name of our table. So I'll right click here, and then I select design view. It will pop up this window. So what I need to do, boys and girls, I need to type the name of my table. The name of my table, I want to call it Tego Employees. Tego Employees. Tego Employees. That's the name of my table. A table. So you can see now we have got field name and we've got data type. You must be careful about data type, because data type should match, you see. So what I'm saying here, we've got I need another field name, that is a name of an employee, and then a surname. All right, okay, a surname. You've got a surname. You've got a surname, and then age. The data type for name can be text. The data type for surname is text, but now for age is no longer text. So what I need to do, boys and girls, I'll click this drop down arrow and select the appropriate database, that is a number. You see, age, and then salary of an employee. Salary. The data type for salary, if I click this drop down arrow, I think it's current, so I select current. And then after that, boys and girls, what you need to do right now, you need to save your table employees a design view. So I'll just click Ctrl and S so that I can save my information. And then what I'm going to do right now, I want to double click here, table employees. So this is the format of my table. So what I'm going to have to do right now, I want to type the name of an employee so that we can create our table in the name of an employee. You've got Harmon, the surname Masharakure. So I'll just drag so that I can enlarge. Age 34, salary maybe 200, and then another one, Tapua Moyo, that's the same. Age 45, salary I think it's almost the same. And then another employee, I think it's Peter. It's Peter Anesu. And then age is almost 43, and salary I think let us say 300. And then boys and girls, if I'm finished to enter the information in my table, what I'm gonna have to do, I'll click save. So you can see right now that I save my information in a table. So a table is just a single object. So I hope you enjoyed this powerful tutorial. Looking forward to see you in the next video when I'll be talking about how to format information in a table. If you didn't want to miss the next video, you can subscribe to our channel.